Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Ever wondered how your devices magically get online without you having to manually assign them an address? That's where DHCP comes in, and today, we're demystifying it. DHCP, or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, is like the friendly neighborhood traffic cop for your network. When a new device joins your network, be it your laptop, phone, or smart TV, it needs a unique IP address to communicate. Instead of you doing this tedious work, your DHCP server automatically hands out these addresses from a pool it manages. It also provides other crucial information like the subnet mask and the default gateway, essentially telling your device how to find its way around the internet. This process is incredibly efficient, preventing address conflicts and ensuring seamless connectivity for everyone. It's a fundamental piece of modern networking that keeps things running smoothly behind the scenes. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, consider following for more tech insights.